what am I doing in Thailand? I'm at the Samsung Forum in Thailand where there are a host of products to launch. What they've launched and which is very exciting is the A7. We spoke to the Samsung folks here and they told us more about the phone. So for a little more information on the phone, Samsung is going to tell us more.
Well, I think this is a phone for anybody for whom their mobile phone is an outward expression of their personality and their style statement. As you can see, this is a really stylish and slim, all of 6.3 millimeters slim metal unibody design, the first from our sides. In fact, the slimmest smartphone, the Galaxy smartphone from Samsung's side. So it's really exquisite in its designing and all. But it's not just about design. It's really about the brawn that also comes inside it in terms of the sheer display power. So it comes with the signature Samsung 5.5-inch full HD Super AMOLED display, which makes for, well, perhaps the most immersive and richest viewing experience there is out there in people's hands today. So it's really rich and powerful on that. The processing capability, the imaging capability, what have you, the battery capability of this, each of these are spec'd really high up there. In fact, we've pulled in a lot of our flagship phone features which are conventionally found in our flagship devices actually over here. All of this we are launching at 30,500 rupees in the Indian market.
Could you tell me about the wide angle selfie that we took right now?
So that's a really cool feature, and what it does is conventionally cameras will give you about 90 degrees of an angle. With this you go over 120 degrees. And with the wide selfie mode, it's really probably misplaced to call it a selfie because it's really about group fees thereon. So you and your band of friends can all fit into one frame. It's great fun for that.
Oh, we just tried that one. That was cool. The last question I want to ask, if you look at the evolution of all Samsung phones, there wasn't too much of concentration on design. Now like tech is evolving, it's more design centric as well. But is there any specific things that you had in mind while you were designing this?
So at the outset, I disagree with you that it wasn't about designs all this while. In fact, I might say that all our product designers and engineers are continuously reading changing and evolving consumer preferences and tastes, be it with design, with UI, with software and hardware capabilities. So that's an ongoing effort at Samsung's side. And we keep designing for those evolving preferences. And it is keeping that in mind, we here are really happy to have launched the A series now in India and world over. The A series is inspired by such consumers who are seeking and who are looking at their mobile phones as an active outward expression of their personalities, of their design sensibilities. So it's exquisite, it's metallic, it's slim, it's unibody, and it's rich and powerful inside as well.
Asia in general is known to be the continent who uses smartphone primarily. Okay, so they forget all the tablets, forget all the television. This is their go-to device. Do you agree?
Well, in large measure, yes. A mobile phone is an integral part, and a smartphone at that is an integral part for many a consumer increasingly today. It's the way we live, interact, share our joys. It's the way we entertain ourselves. It's the way we work now. So yes, a mobile phone and a smartphone at that has gone far beyond the realms of basic telephony itself.